You know what? People don't talk about it. They don't talk about it enough, I think. They don't talk about trading psychology. They don't say like it's important, it's like the foundation of trading. They don't say that. And when it comes to trading psychology, it's something like that we have to talk about. Like how to be in a good state of mind, how to be positive, how to think the right way. And having a good mindset is gonna help you way more deeper, better than having like a good strategy. And I think people don't cover that enough because as you can see, like you can see on YouTube, on Instagram, we're only here to show that they make a lot of money. They make a lot of money, that they got the best strategy. But we talked about trading psychology. Only a few of them talk about it, and I think it's not okay because people have to talk about trading psychology, like they talked about making profit, like they talked about having a good strategy and stuff like that. So that's why I want to talk about it today. So make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's go. The first thing that I want to talk about is what you can be in a trade and you can be right about the direction of a trade, but you can be wrong about the trade. Why? Because you get in the trade too early, and sometimes it happens. Sometimes you get in the trade and you are like in consolidation zones and you're like, oh damn, why did I take that trade? Why did I take that trade? And most of the time when you take this kind of trade, it's the one that you didn't follow your trading plan. Like you just wanted to trade because you saw like a good setup. But sometimes, let me tell you something, you can see a good setup, but if the setup doesn't fit with your trading plan, don't take it. If you want to trade only New York session and you see a good setup, like your setup in London session, don't take it. Just wait for New York session, because if you take this trade and it doesn't go the way you want it, if you take a buy and it's going to sell, you're gonna be, oh damn, if I knew that, I would have waited for New York session to come and I would have taken another trade better than that. And sometimes it's like that. You can see the same setup that you take, same setup, same trade. If you trade like breakout and retest, you can see a breakout retest in like a trending market and you take a buy, but it can go down because what? The hours is different. Usually you trade between maybe, or let's say for me, like here New York session is like 3 a.m. So if I trade New York session, let's say that I trade New York session at 3 a.m. and at 2 a.m. I see a good setup, breakout retest in the trending market, a bullish market, and I take a buy and I see the price hit my stop loss and I'm like, oh, what's going on? The setup looked perfect. The problem is that you didn't wait for your exact time to trade. Usually you trade between 3 a.m. and maybe 4 or 5 a.m. But this time you traded at 2 a.m. So you can see that it doesn't make sense. It doesn't fit your trading plan because at 2 a.m. we're still in the London session. So that's why you have to be careful. Follow your plan. Follow your plan is very important. And I want to tell you to avoid the hype on social media. Like, stop following people that post the profit every day and you can't learn anything from them. Like, I think you should follow people that add something to your knowledge, because don't waste your time watching at someone making 10,000 in 30 minutes. You don't know if that someone, if it took him like five years or 2 years to make 10,000 in 30 minutes, you don't know. And at the end of the day, you're going to compare yourself to that person and it's gonna really fuck up your mindset and stuff like that. That's why you have to follow someone that adds value to your knowledge. If that someone doesn't add value to your knowledge, it's gonna really impact you in the bad way. So be careful about that. Follow only people that you can learn from them, people that are humble, people you know that they're not going to show off just like for you to pay the cost or stuff like that. Now follow people you know that if that person posts on Instagram, I know that I can learn from that. because it had something to my knowledge and it's something really important. But new traders, they don't see that way, because new traders, when they come into this industry of trading, they only see money, they only see the profit, they don't see the psychology aspect, they only see the money, they only see profit. And I think it's not a good way to think about it, because if you want to go far in this industry, make sure that your mindset is right and don't put the money first. Money is secondary in trading. First, you have to have a good strategy, a good mindset, and after money comes. Because if you want to focus about money, you're gonna lose money, like your all your money in your trading account very quickly. And also, follow your strategy, follow your plan. If you trade and you follow your plan, whatever the outcome, if it's a win or a loss, be proud of you, because you are getting there. Like, you are on the way, you are on your path to become a not successful yet, but a disciplined trader. Because by following your plan, it's gonna help you to become disciplined. Whatever is a win or loss, you don't care. Like me, if I take a trade and it's a trade that the same setup I used to take almost most of the time, and it's a loss, I'm happy. Not happy, but I'm happy. Why? Because I'm getting there, I'm getting disciplined. And it's something people don't understand. They think that when we say that you have to be a disciplined trader, they think that you have to win all your trades. No, it's impossible. Even a robot doesn't win all the trades. So why you, a human being, are you gonna win all the trades? Like, it doesn't make sense at all. And people have to be aware about that. And I think something really important also, people don't cover as much. And you have to be patient, because the more time you put in this industry, the better you're going to understand how it works. So don't trust people based on their opinion, because everyone is different. People, like, they're gonna say, okay, I don't trade with indicators because it doesn't work like me, because there are many ways to use an indicator. People can use an indicator like different ways, because people are different. So don't rely on people's opinions. Just go there, try it yourself. If you like it, you like it. If you don't use it. Like, just because people don't, I think in this industry they watch a lot of videos on YouTube and that's it. They think that they're gonna be a great trader. No, everything you watch on YouTube, you have to go back test it, because it can work for your friend, but for you it doesn't work. So yeah, you have to go back test it and don't rely on it directly after watching like a strategy video. Don't go on your real account and trade it. No, go on a demo account, back test it with real data. And that's something really important. Like, in this industry, too much knowledge is a poison. Why I say that? Because the more you learn about different strategies and stuff, the more it's gonna impact your psychology, your everything, like your state of mind, everything. Just like, learn a simple strategy, practice it. If you think it works for you, stick to it. But don't forget that there are different market conditions, so you need to improve also your strategy, but don't change it completely, just improve it. Because you can see that sometimes you can have a good month and the following month is like weird, because you're gonna be like, okay, I took this trade last week, it was working, but this week it's not working. Because you can take the same trade again and again, over and over, but the probability that the trade ends up like the last one that you took is different. You can take a breakout through test in a bullish trend and you win the trade, and you can take the same trade next week and you can lose the trade, because the outcome is not gonna be the same. It's something you need to be okay with. You need to adapt, because there is different market conditions and it's very important. Try not to be emotional as possible. Take a trade, is a win, okay, is a loss, review the trade. Because people don't review the losses. I think that, okay, I lost this trade, I'm pissed, close my laptop, okay, I call it a day, I'll come back tomorrow. No. After each loss, review the loss. If you don't review the trade, like, you're not gonna be a good trader. You're gonna do the same mistake tomorrow, next week, and next month. So in order to avoid to do the same mistake, after each losses, review it. review the trade that didn't work out, and you have to know why. So next time you will be prepared, so you're gonna be in a good state of mind and confident about your setup. Okay, that's it for this video. So this is just a part 1 of trading psychology. If you liked it, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and peace.